Alright guys, welcome back. I was messing around with some text designs and thought, let's make some shiny text. I've done few glossy effects before, but I wanted to whip up something new that's quick and still looks awesome. And I came up with this. It looks glossy, saves us time, and those flares really make it pop. This is exactly what we need. So let's dive into Photoshop and get started. Alright, create an artboard. You can go with any size, it doesn't matter. But make sure the background color is black. Now grab the text tool and type whatever name you want. I'm going with black. Font is 6 caps. As always, description. Change the color to white and place it in the middle. Okay, when you're happy with the placement, switch the color back to black. Right-click on the text layer and change it to a smart object. Now make 2 copies of it. We will call this out and this one in. Bring them below the original one. Change the fill to 0 so it won't be visible. Double-click on this layer. Give it a bevel and emboss. Make sure the preview is checked. Select this ring double graph. Let's see if we wanted the light source to top left then. Maybe 100 would be fine and altitude 20. Nope, 30. Yes, 30. Select the inner bevel and set it smooth. Depth would be around 400 to 500, depends on the length and width. Size, set it around 8 to 10. Change this mode to linear dodge and color to white and opacity to all the way 100. This one, we don't need to change anything, just decrease the opacity. Now give it an inner shadow. Color is black and the same graph. Change the blending mode to overlay and opacity to 35. This would help when you have something below the text. You can see on the preview and set other things as I do. Now go to this layer and give it the same inner shadow. Also give bevel and emboss. Change the direction and the depth would be 280 or something. This one need to soften a bit, around 2. You can see it that it's barely visible and we need to soften a bit more. So for that, apply the Gaussian blur. Maybe 3 or 4 something. See, it looks more natural. Let's soften this layer as well, just a little bit. Now the interesting part, if you have something below the text, you will only see the black color inside the text. We don't want it, so double click on the layer and holding Alt key, drag this icon to the right side. Do the same for this layer as well. Not this one, the current one. Now, if you think it needs more shine, then copy those layer 2 to 3 more times, so it will brighten up. Shortcut is Ctrl J. Select every layer and group them. Ctrl G to group. We will call this Effects. For making the text more shiny, we need these flares. You can easily find it on Google. Change the blending mode to screen. And if you have colors in it, press Ctrl U to bring this panel and desaturate it. Now you just have to do the placements. I'm going to speed this part. Till then, why don't you like the video and subscribe to the channel? It's easier than this text and it helps me as well. What I like to do is add some grains in it. So fill the new layer with a gray color. Let's go with this color. Alt plus backspace is the shortcut to fill the layer. Now go to Camera Raw filter and apply the grains. Change the blending mode to soft light or hard light. I will go with soft one. Decrease the opacity if it's too much. Let's turn them into a group and rename it. Alright, now if you want to change the color of the text, then make a new solid color layer and clip it onto the effects group. Change the blending mode to multiply and you're done. If you want a different name, then double-click on this box and change the contents. Save it after you make any changes. Okay, we have created the text effects. Font link is in the description, go check it out. Please do me a favor and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more contents. Alright, it's time for me to go. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Till then, see ya.